did have, a real dry holiday, which was great. It started to rain a little bit yesterday, and today going to get a little stormy. In fact, on the radar this morning, way off to our north, a line of showers and storms. Now, the number of lightning strikes has dropped, but that's still a very active system this morning. Over 3,500 lightning strikes in the last 20 minutes or so off to the north as you go from northern Indiana going up through parts of Michigan and across the northern Great Lakes. We've got some stormy weather up there that will gradually drop south with a boundary as we go later on this morning, so we'll keep an eye on that. Meanwhile, the showers and storms starting to move to the east at least this morning here, not really dropping too far to the south just yet. As the morning goes along, that stuff will start to roll on through, so there is a slight risk for severe weather today and again tomorrow. First couple of days of this week could have some rocky weather. Major threats look to be gusty winds and probably some hail late day today, early tonight, and then coming back tomorrow. And tomorrow we're probably going to add some heavy rain to it as the air continues to get more and more moist through the early part of the week. In the meantime, it's heating up again. Chance for storms returns this afternoon, tonight, and again tomorrow, and maybe even into midweek. And a few strong storms are possible in the mix as well. So the Storm Prediction Center keeping a close eye on that, as will we. 70 degrees this morning, a light south wind. The humidity 71% here to start the day. Around the outer belt, you've got a bunch of 60s mixed in. 65 Grandview Heights, 64 over at Tuttle Mall, one of the cooler readings. Mid-60s on the Hilltop over at Galloway. Upper 60s from Marion Village to Whitehall and Obetz. 66 at Blacklick, Gahanna at 70 like the airport, and 69 up at Galena this morning. Central Ohio readings generally upper 60s and low 70s. Hot spot, Lancaster. How about that? Even Delaware is warmer than we are. Both unusual things to see happen. Warmer than both those locales. 74 at Findlay this morning, 71 at Mansfield, 70 at Zanesville, and 69 at Portsmouth. So things have changed. Those crisp temperatures we had over the weekend, the lows well down into the 50s. Models were right. It actually did get that cool. Very nice in the morning, a little on the nippy side for some, but that's gone now. 79 at noon, 84 by 5 this afternoon with showers and storms possibly messing up your evening commute. Good chance for that later on today. So here's a line. There's a frontal boundary off to the north. The strongest part of the storm's weakening this morning. As we heat up this afternoon, they'll start to fire up again as they drop through. Here we are, 8 o'clock this morning. Nice dry morning commute to get back into the swing of things. By noon, still looks like most of the activity's off to the north and west, but as we approach the evening drive, 4 or 5 o'clock, scattered showers and storms begin to develop and roll through more as we get into the early morning hours, but by tomorrow morning, they're gone. They've taken a break again. As we get later in the day, the chance for showers and storms returns. So does a chance for some heavier rain during the day tomorrow. Temperatures in the 80s each of the first few days of the week. Showers and storms today, late for tomorrow as well. Wednesday, possibly. They're going to taper off there with a high of around 83. Morning lows in the mid to upper 60s. Thursday and Friday, we've actually cooled off a little bit. Brightening skies and the chance at least for a shower or storm returns as we go into the weekend. So a little bit of activity there as we head into the weekend.